Alright YouTube, so these are the older struts here, and I'm guessing they're OEM, so it looks like to remove them, what we would have to do is remove these two fasteners here. They look like 12mm, but it's just a guess. And then remove this ball joint here, which looks like it's also 12mm. And then that should completely remove the strut. Should be the same thing on both sides. So, yeah, there's the old one. Doesn't look too badly worn. And then here's the new one from Amazon. Let me open it up. Alright, let's open it up. Looks like it's a captured washer. I wonder if I need to grease this at all. Doesn't seem like there's any lube in the ball joint. Same thing with this one. Oh god, it's hard. Alright, so let's just compare the two struts. So the top one is the original OEM one, and the bottom one is the one that I got from Amazon. It looks like the ball joint socket at the end of the OEM one it looks like it's some type of plastic. Yeah, I think it's some type of plastic. It definitely feels like it. Let's see if I can get this camera to focus here. Okay, so it's definitely some type of plastic. And then the one from Amazon, the replacement one, this is like some type of metal end fitting. So the fastener on the OEM one is tapered here, and it does look like it has a captured washer also. And the Amazon replacement does not have a tapered fastener here, but the washer is captured. It does feel like there's a little bit of play in the ball joint. Here's the OEM one. not much play. And the Amazon one, there's a little bit more play. Alright, so are the struts worth replacing? Yes, absolutely. It's a little bit harder to close it once the hatch is open, but I guess it'll build your forearm strength. Hopefully the wife doesn't notice that it's hard to close. Totally worth it. $20, $22 on Amazon as of December 2019. I'd say go ahead and get it if your struts need some replacing.